Hello, good evening, everybody. Spirit wants us to make a wish and expect the very best. Forgive the past and move forward. They want you to know that you are not moving too slowly. Drop the self induced pressure. You are at a sweet spot now between taking care of yourself and still making advances in your life. You are getting signs from the heavens, and your loved one in spirit are waving hello and giving you the reassurance that you are going to be all right. Spirit has a plan for us. You are getting recognition or reward for merit after doing something risky. You're getting clarity in a situation, and you now putting an end to something in your life, and you looking forward to a new start. This situation just caused you a lot of arguments and a lot of inner turmoil, but there's opportunities waiting for you. The star card is here, and they say there's brightness and hope. You must expect the unexpected and trust the magic of the universe. They say a mystical journey is about to begin. You must prepare yourself. You are being divinely guided, and they want you to surround yourself um, uh, uh, with wise teachers and loving friends and family. Your number card is 1313, and they say there's loving energy surrounding you, and you need to trust the clarity you feel is the answer that you need. Listen to your intuition, and you know that sometimes life does sting. You in deep gratitude for everyone and everything around you, and you've chosen peace over the chaos now. And there is speedy news or a situation coming your way with love. And it's going to bring changes for the better into your life. Your future is going to be bright. Trust your intuition, stay positive and confident, and follow your plans, hopes, wishes. This is going to make you feel fulfilled, and you will know inside yourself there are improvements underway. Trust divine timing. Keep going forward. Whatever you're doing is going to pay off. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.